This video will cover moderate level questions regarding the topic of derivatives power rule. This is the first question. You don't have to draw a graph when solving these problems, but if you can see a graph, that's just enough to understand the situation. It's much more helpful in solving the problem. Suppose here, the graph of fx equals square root of x minus 2 over root 2x. Tangent line is here. It doesn't matter if it really looks like this. You just need to understand the situation. To find the point on the graph of f, evaluate the original function at x equals 4. So f of 4 equals square root of 4 minus 2 over square root of 4 equals 2 minus 2 over 2. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. So f of 4 equals 1 means 4, 1. So here, tangent point 4, 1. f of x, we can rewrite as x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 2 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2. Then slope equals 1 over 2x minus 1 over 2 plus x minus 3 over 2. We can rewrite as 1 over 2 square root of x plus 1 over square root of x cubed. The slope of the tangent line at 4, 1 equals f of prime 4, 1 over 2 square root of 4 plus 1 over square root of 4 cubed, which is 64, equals 1 over 2 times 2 plus 1 over 8. So 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 equals 3 over 8. The tangent line has the slope of 3 over 8 and that passes through the point 4, 1. We use the point slope form to write an equation of the tangent line at 4, 1, which is y minus y1, which is 1, equals 3 over 8, x minus x1, which is 4. Then expand, y minus 1 equals 3 over 8, x, then minus 3 over 2. The final answer is y equals 3 over 8x minus 1 over 2. Suppose here is a part of a graph of f of x. The tangent line is here. This is the normal line. The point on the curve where the x coordinate is minus 2. We need the y coordinate of this point. So f of minus 2 equals minus 1 over 2 times minus 2 cubed plus minus 2 squared minus 4 over minus 2 equals minus 1 over 2 times minus 8 plus 4, make positive, plus 4 over 2, which is 2, then 4 plus 6, which is 10. f of minus 2 equals 10 means minus 2 comma 10. So y value is 10. fx can be rewritten as minus 1 over 2 x cubed plus x squared minus 4 times x to the power of minus 1. And we need a slope minus 3 over 2 x squared plus 2 down, so 2x minus 1 down, make positive 4, x to the power of minus 2, and we can rewrite as minus 3 over 2 x squared plus 2x plus 4 over x squared. The slope of the tangent line at x equals minus 2 is f of prime minus 2 equals minus 3 over 2 times minus 2 squared plus 2 times minus 2 plus 4 over minus 2 squared equals minus 3 over 2 times 4 minus 4 plus 4 over 4, which is 1. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, minus 6 minus 4 plus 1, which is minus 9. The slope of the tangent line is minus 9. Then the slope of the normal line is negative reciprocal, which is 1 over 9. So slope is 1 over 9. The line passes through minus 2 comma 10. So y minus 10 equals 1 over 9 times x minus minus 2. So y minus 10 equals 1 over 9 times x plus 2. Y minus 10 equal, expand, 1 over 9x plus 2 over 9. The final answer is y equals 1 over 9x plus 2 over 9 plus 10, which is 92 over 9. Number 3, suppose here is a graph of y equals 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18x plus 5. A horizontal tangent when y prime equals 0. So y prime equals 6x squared minus 12x minus 18. Then take out the common factor 6. X squared minus 2x minus 3. Then we can factor x minus 3, x plus 1 equals 0 when x equals 3 or minus 1. Number 4, differentiation is possible anywhere means that the graph is already continuous anywhere. So f of x is continuous at x equals 4. Limit as x approaches 4 from the left side, f of x equals limit as x approaches 4 from the left side, 8 square root of x equals, put 4 into x, 8 square root of 4, 8 times 2, which is 16. Limit as x approaches 4 from the right side, then f of x equals limit as x approaches 4 from the right side. Now fx is ax squared plus bx plus 2 equals, then put 4 into x, 8 times 4 squared plus b times 4 plus 2, which is 16a plus 4b plus 2. From these two, 16a plus 4b plus 2 equals 16. 16a plus 4b equals 14. Then divide by 2 on each side. 8a plus 2b equals 7. Then I will explain derivative of 8 square root of x equals d dx of 8 times x to the power of 1 over 2. So keep 8, then 1 over 2 x to the power of minus 1 over 2. So 4 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2, which is 4 over square root of x. So f prime x equals 4 over square root of x. If x is less than 4, then 2ax plus b if x is greater than 4. For f of x to be differentiable at x equals 4, we need limit as x approaches 4 from the left side, f prime x equals limit as x approaches 4 from the left side, 4 over square root of x. Then put 4 into x, 4 over square root of 4. So 4 over 2, which is 2. And then limit as x approaches 4 from the right side, f prime x equals limit as x approaches 4 from the right side, 2ax plus b, then put 4 into x, so 2a times 4 plus b is 8a plus b. Then with these two make 8a plus b equals 2. Now we have two equations. The first one is 8a plus 2b equals 7, and second one is 8a plus b equals 2. Then use the elimination method, minus, so b equals 5, then put into here, then 8a plus b equals 2, so 8a equals minus 3, so 8 equals minus 3 over 8. So b equals 5, a equals minus 3 over 8. Number 5, suppose here is the graph of y equals x square root of x. The tangent line is here, and is parallel to the line 3x minus y minus 4 equals 0. Then minus y equals minus 3x plus 4. So this line is y equals 3x minus 4. Y equals x times square root of x. Then we can rewrite as x times x to the power of 1 over 2. So y equals x to the power of 3 over 2. The slope of the tangent line is y prime equals 3 over 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1. So 3 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2. The parallel line has a slope of 3, so the tangent line has a slope of 3. So 3 over 2 square root of x equals 3. Square root of x equals 3 times upside down 2 over 3 cancelled. So square root of x equals 2, then x equals 4. The y value is y equals x square root of x. Then put 4 into x. 4 times square root of 4 equals 4 times 2, which is 8. So that means 4, 8 is here, 4, 8. Number 6, suppose here is the graph of y equals x squared plus x. The tangent line is here, and the perpendicular line x plus 3y plus 12 equals 0. We can rewrite as 3y equals minus x minus 12, then divide by 3 on each side, so y equals minus 1 over 3x minus 4. The perpendicular line, the slope is minus 1 over 3, so the tangent has the slope of 3, which is the negative reciprocal. Let the x-coordinate of the point in the tangent be a. X value is a. Then y-coordinate is a squared plus a, because y equals x squared plus x. Y prime equals 2x plus 1. Then the slope of the tangent line at x equals a is y prime, then a here, 2a plus 1. The slope of the tangent line is 3, so this one equals 3. 2a plus 1 equals 3. 2a equals 2, therefore a equals 1. Then the y value a squared plus a equals 1 squared plus 1, which is 2. Therefore the point is 1, 2. This is the last question. Suppose here is the graph of y equals ax cubed plus x squared plus bx minus 4. The tangent line is here. Let's say here is the point 1, minus 4. So 1, minus 4 lies on the curve. So put in here minus 4 equals a times 1 cubed plus 1 squared plus b times 1 minus 4 minus 4 equals a plus 1 plus b minus 4 cancelled. Therefore, a plus b equals minus 1. The slope of the curve is y prime equals 3ax squared plus 2x plus b. The slope of the curve at x equals 1 is y prime 1 equals 3a times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus b, which is 3a plus 2 plus b. The slope of the tangent is 5, so this one equals 5. Therefore, 3a plus b equals 3. Now we have the two equations. The first one, 3a plus b equals 3. Then second one, a plus b equals minus 1. Then use elimination. So 2a equals 3 minus minus 1, which is 4. So a equals 2. Then put here. So 2 plus b equals minus 1. So b equals minus 3. The final answer, a equals 2, then b equals minus 3. I hope this video has been helpful. The previous lesson is linked in the description bar below. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.